students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that read the bar graph which shows the number of books sold by the bookstore during the 5 consecutive years and answer the following question. So basically, we are given the bar graph where x-axis is representing the years and y-axis is representing the number of the books. So let's start with the part 1. In the part 1, we have to find out about how many books were sold in 1989, 1990 and 1992. So let's discuss this. We can easily answer this question by using the values in the bar graph. So here, look here, in the year 1989, there are 180 books which are sold. So we can say that the books sold in year 1989, which is equals to 180. In the same way, we have to find out books sold in 1990. So we can say that the book sold in 1990. Look here in the graph. In the graph, books sold in 1990 are 480. Now we have to find out the books sold in 1992. So books sold in 1992 are 220. So we can say that the books sold in 1992 is equals to 220. So this is the answer to the part 1 of this question. Now let's discuss the part 2. Part 2 is that in which year where about 475 books sold, about 225 books sold. We have to find out the year in which 475 and 225 books are sold. So we can say that if you can see in 1990, so in 1990 around 475 books are sold, and in year 1992, as we just discussed, there are about 225 books which are sold. So we can say that the answer to the part 2 is 475 books sold in year 1990 and 225 books this is basically approximate value, books sold in year 1992. So this is the answer to the part 2. Now let's discuss the part 3, which is in which year were fewer than 250 books sold. So we have to find out the year in which less than 250 books are sold. So here, if you can look here, in the year 1989 there are 180 books which are sold, and in the year 1992 there are approximately 225 or 220 books which are sold. So we can say that the answer to the part 3rd is year. Answer to the part 3rd is year 1989 and the year 1992. Next is, can you explain how you would estimate the number of books sold in year 1989? So in the year 1989, we have to explain how we estimated the number of the books sold. So here we can say that we estimated the books by drawing a horizontal line from top to 1989 bar of the y-axis. Basically, this is 1899. So we are going to make the bar. So look here. This is the bar. Look here. This value is less than 200. So this value is less than 200 when we have the proper bar graph table. From there we can easily estimate the value using the intervals which are given here. So that's how we estimated the value. So using, we can say that we drawing horizontal line from top of 1989 bar to y-axis, where the line touches y-axis is the number of books. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of data handling. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.